In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close all Salesforce tabs. If you've ever been overwhelmed by too many open tabs while using Salesforce, you're not alone. It's a common scenario that can clutter your workspace and slow down your computer. Follow along as we dive into a quick and efficient way to tidy up your interface and keep things running smoothly. First things first, let's assume you've already logged into your Salesforce account. You're staring at your Salesforce homepage, a hub of information tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Now, let's zoom in on those tabs that can pile up faster than you might realize. Managing multiple open tabs can be distracting and can seriously affect your productivity. Luckily, there's a simple solution. The tool we're focusing on today is a lifesaver when it comes to closing those pesky tabs. It's all about using a straightforward keyboard shortcut that, once mastered, can become an essential part of any Salesforce user's toolkit. Imagine transforming your screen from a chaotic sea of open tabs to a neat and organized view in just a few seconds. The magic combination here is Ctrl and W on your keyboard. By holding down the Ctrl key and hitting W, you initiate a command that sets off a chain reaction, closing each open tab within your Salesforce session. This method is both swift and efficient, making it a breeze to declutter your workspace. Before you get started, a helpful tip is to ensure that the tabs you wish to keep open are saved or bookmarked. This way, you won't lose track of any vital information and can effortlessly access those tabs later. With a simple press of this shortcut, observe as your screen offloads those unnecessary tabs. You'll notice how it simplifies and organizes your view almost instantly. And there you have it, an easy, stress-free method to close all your Salesforce tabs in one fell swoop. It's satisfying to see the once cluttered screen transform into something much more manageable. Harnessing the power of keyboard shortcuts like this one is not just about tidying up your workspace, it's about enhancing your productivity and allowing you to focus on what truly matters. So feel free to give it a try and experience the relief of a clutter-free screen for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tip useful. Please don't forget to check out more of our tech tips aimed at streamlining your digital experiences. Whether you're managing your workspace or looking to boost your tech skills, there's always something new to learn. Keep watching, keep improving, and optimize your workday one shortcut at a time.